For all the things focused around AI and the adoption or push of it, one out-of-pocket surprise Samsung believes will make AI more helpful, friendly, and accessible in your home is their new in-person assistant called Ballie. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our early first look at Samsung Ballie here at CES 2024 in Las Vegas. Who or what is Ballie? Well, this cute ball-shaped on-wheels automated device is an AI home companion, or so Samsung are calling it. This looks to be the ultimate, or in some ways the most friendly in-house IoT device for the home to help you with the tasks that creep up on you on a daily basis that you might feel you need a bit of help with, like answering your phone calls, telling you the food items you need in your fridge when shopping, making and answering video calls, and even going as far as helping you with your home workouts. It seems Ballie is there to know your home and day-to-day routine as good as yourself, with the aim of being the ultimate and friendliest assistant around. In this very controlled showcase of Ballie in action in a simulated day in the life of a person going through their day, Ballie looked smart enough to adapt to how you're working out by projecting a display to a nearby wall at eye level, or even on the ceiling when working out on your back when you're laying down. Ballie also demonstrated the ability to remind you of your to-do list of important things like remembering your anniversary.
See what we got here.
Don't forget your wedding anniversary.
Oh my God. I should have flowers. Where did I put my phone?
If you struggle to find your phone, for example, not only can Ballie find it for you, but with voice recognition and activation, you can actually prompt it to make phone calls you need for a seamless hands-free experience.
Every so often your phone goes missing, and it's often when you need to make an urgent phone call, but Ballie can help you by not only finding your phone, but making that phone call for you too.
Oh, hey, Ballie, call the nearest flower shop, please.
Sure, I will call the nearest flower shop.
Pick up, please.
Ballie was also shown to give information on things like the air quality in your living space, and if things like your air filter needed to be replaced, alongside having visual access to your fridge to let you know what items you need to refill your fridge when you go shopping.
Before I head out, Ballie, can you tell me what the air quality is like outside?
For appliances without displays, it's often difficult to know their status or function. But in situations like this, Ballie can be helpful, providing visual and audio aids, making them easier to use.
I'll show you the information that the air purifier has detected. Filter needs to be replaced.
New filter. Got it, thank you. Well, I'm out, might as well do some shopping. Can you show me the inside of the fridge, Ballie?
Okay, let me show you the inside of the refrigerator.
Alright, looks like I can use some more apples and a few more eggs. What else we got here? Perfect. Thank you, Ballie.
Since it's an AI companion, you have the ability to also activate Ballie to turn on things like your smart oven to preheat, and even show you a recipe to cook up in the kitchen in a moment's notice.
Show me the inside of the oven.
With the help of Ballie, you can easily connect and control home appliances and IoT devices like this.
That must be the bouquet. I'll be right out. Thank you, Ballie.
So how was your day with Ballie? An AI home companion that learns your patterns and evolves to know you better than you know yourself.
This demonstration of Ballie at work was approximately a quick 6-minute showcase of what it can do, but there is still no mention of the core specifications of the companion, like the price, weight, color availability, release date, built-in projector quality speakers, microphone, or even the battery and charging experience. So there is still a lot to be discovered and left on the table of what Ballie can and can't do. Taking what we've seen so far, this cute AI home companion might be a trick or treat. What's your thoughts on Ballie? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung Daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.